Hey guys, Nathan Nation, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be another day in Dubai. I'll be heading over to a friend's place in Dubai. I haven't seen him in a while. So Hamdan, I'm coming to see you, man. Stay tuned. Hey, let's go. Yeah, should go. Over to the place here in Dubai. I'm going to be showing you guys the place now, so check it out. Hamdan doesn't know I'm coming to see him. It's going to be a total surprise to him. I left Dubai, I went to UK without telling him. The buffet is open, it's time for iftar here, Ramadan time. We can open our fast now. Alright boys, I'm going to dig into my food and I'm going to heat up, and then I'll see you guys in the next shot. Guys, the food is absolutely amazing here. Just have a look at my food. Bam, check that out. Alright, I'm gonna quickly finish up my food and I'll see you guys once it's finished. I just finished up here and it's been an amazing day here so far. Saj, you enjoyed the day today, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Sam, how about you? Did you enjoy the food and the shisha?
It's been the best day.
Saj, lock your door. Saj. I can't believe I opened his door, man. He was having a shower. Lock it? No, I locked it, but you can easily open it. You see this here? It just opens. Look. That's paranormal activity. Guys, look.
Saj, hurry up, we're getting late. He's ready.
He's still not gone to the door.
Wow,
He keeps locking the door.
He's waiting
really
for
close to the what? What is?
It's almost instant.
Yeah.
I have the feet there and one hand on the lock and I'm getting like what?
So, we've just taken the key.
So,
Out
Saj inside. He's inside. He's gonna know that trick. Come on, let's go.
No electric, no light.
Let's go.
Let me put the light on. I feel bad now. Let me put the light. Put the electric on.
He said there's no light.
We have light. We have light.
What was that doing in the lift? Is it safe? Is it safe to get in?
Get in.
Someone is planted.
Why not? Sick, man. I'm taking this around Dubai with me, guys. It was crazy. I mean, you don't see rainbow trolleys every day. Crazy, right, bruv?
Yeah, rainbow trolley. I've never seen a trolley of any other colour than silver before. Like, that was weird.
So as many of you know, I moved to Dubai permanently, and many of you might be wondering, Hassan, where are you staying? You want to have a look inside? Yeah? Okay, come on, let's go inside. But before we go inside, I want you guys to get this video to 200 likes. Okay, 200 likes. Ready? Let's go. What's this doing here? A GTR? Look at the state of this car, guys. What the hell's happened here? Oh my god. Check this out. This is rotting away.
It was abandoned by me.
Why would you do such a thing? That's so crazy. Guys, comment below if you would do this to your car, because I wouldn't. Why would you do that to your car? You're insane. I'm taking this car off you. So this is my car now, guys. It's officially Napto's car. Fine, officially.
gifting this beautiful GTR to my son Hassan. It's mine and the villa as well. It's been abandoned for some time. I think it's about time. It's about
We're gonna give you a tour.
it is about 1,700 bhp. This
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to handle that right away.
it's a beast.
But we're gonna give you guys a tour of the abandoned villa inside. So stay tuned for that, it's gonna be crazy.
I was there. Went to work. I went to
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Since we've been living in the UK, this villa's been abandoned for ages. You know what? Come with me guys, I'll take you around. Let's go and have a tour of my villa. You want to do that? So today we're going to get a battery pack for the GTR and try starting up. We can't even open the car without the manual car key. Goodbye Nissan GTR, I'll see you soon in the evening. Peace out buddy. We bought a power bank for the Nissan GTR and we're going to head inside and see if we can start her up. There it is.
I'm quite nervous about this.
Are you nervous?
There you go.
There you go.
You press that button there.
Alright.
I'll give it a try.
Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see, we're gonna go. Oh, I see lights. There's a sign, guys.
A few moments later.
So right now we're really struggling to start the car. It's just not starting. I don't know why. So we're gonna go charge up the power bank and head back to try starting up. We're in time for dinner. Hey, hello.
Hi guys.
How you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Wow, this food looks amazing. Check out that
selection.
food. Wow, so nice. Thank you so much for the food. Here's the man that's hosting the food, my uncle. We're in time for dinner. Hey, hello.
Hi guys.
How you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Wow, this food looks amazing. Check out that
selection.
food. Wow, so nice. Thank you so much for the food. Here's the man that's hosting the food, my uncle.
So wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. Oh, there's one person too many.
There's one person left.
One has to drop out. So
We're gonna have to do like rock, paper, scissors.
I think it's Saj and Sam have to do rock, paper, scissors to come. And the loser stays behind. Oh god. Saj. Saj getting angry now. Come on.
Attention.
Both of you come in the middle and do rock, paper,
He's
scissors.
planning mind games. He's like, I know what he's going to do.
He probably knows it too well.
Contact. Rock, paper,
I never played that.
okay, this is
You
paper.
Oh, you've never played it?
scissors?
I never played.
I don't want to do an arm wrestle.
That's it. Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
So
Just do anyone.
rock beats scissors. Scissors beats paper.
Paper.
Paper beats rock.
Okay.
So you just have to basically pick one.
He's lying. He has played.
Scissors,
He's
rock,
lying.
paper.
Lying.
Or maybe
Liar.
he wants you to believe that he
Guys,
played it before.
guys, comment below if you think Saj is lying. I think he's lying. Sam, have you played rock paper scissors before?
Never.
He's lying as well.
Basically, we take
Basic.
the card
Yeah,
to
the
the
person.
villa
The loser will stay behind.
behind.
Yes.
Yeah, one.
Just want to make
one.
it clear, more clear
Yeah.
for the
Right, we go. We go?
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh no, you changed.
What was that? That glitch. That glitch on the camera.
If you kept it rock, you would have won.
I'm gonna look
I
away.
know, yeah, but I didn't like that.
I'm gonna look away.
Oh,
Or
sure.
do you want to do it from behind your back and then you just come out and then?
No, that's
Guys,
cheating then.
look
That's
away.
cheap, good cheap then.
Yeah.
I'll look away. Okay, just
Okay.
go on 1,
Okay.
2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, scissors again.
Oh.
Rock, come on. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, I'll go paper.
They're both playing mind games.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, yeah.
Okay, one more now. One more go. It's best out of 2, right?
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors. No. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh no. Sam gets a point. So it's
It's
1-1.
1-1.
The next point wins.
Okay.
Okay, ready now? Need some water, guys?
No.
Oh no, that switched, but it's a draw. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, it's both rock. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, Sam wins.
Sam, sorry, Saj, you have to stay back. Oh no, Sam.
I might just have to stay with Saj.
Oh
Might have to
no.
be a good sport.
Yeah, so like he's taking me with them.
Oh, so we're taking 2 cards, are we? Yeah, we can.
No, I was gonna stay just with Saj.
Oh, that's so kind.
I'm a good sport.
so kind.
I'm a good sport.
Yeah, thank you.
Good
Saj is
sport.
my brother.
It's easy to say that after we find the second part.
2,000 years later.
Woo, the car just started, guys. Yes. Yes, come on. Epic. Wow. Finally. My baby has been awoken from the dead.